Most common facial nerve branch damage during gap arthroplasty or any TM joint surgery. Options are temporal, zygomatic, buccal, marginal. So most common facial branch damage during gap arthroplasty is the temporal branch of the facial nerve because it is in the vicinity of the preauricular incision. If you see this picture, there is main trunk showing division of 5 branches: temporal, zygomatic, buccal, marginal, and cervical. So most commonly damage is the temporal branch of the facial nerve. You can see in the preauricular region the vicinity of the temporal branch of the facial nerve. Then second common is zygomatic, then buccal, then marginal. This is the sequence of the damage in the TM joint surgery or gap arthroplasty. So temporal branch is the answer of this question. Second common nerve damage during TM joint surgery is the fifth nerve after facial nerve. So fifth nerve most commonly damaged branch is the auriculotemporal nerve and the inferior alveolar nerve. These two branches, the inferior alveolar nerve and auriculotemporal nerve, may damage during TM joint surgery. Another question is most common cause of bleeding in gap arthroplasty or any TM joint surgery. So answer of this question is the superficial temporal artery because it is the vicinity of the preauricular incision, which is common approach for TM joint surgery. Now second question is most clinical important vessel that could lead to severe hemorrhage. Then answer will be IMA proximal, internal maxillary artery in the vicinity of the neck, about 3 mm in the notch area behind the condyle. Then answer will be IMA proximal. Now most dangerous vessel to damage, then answer will be middle meningeal artery that may lead to extracranial hematoma. So most common bleeding because of STA, most clinical important vessel is IMA proximal, and most dreaded complication because of middle meningeal artery. These are the different question and these are the different answer. And another important point, ligation of external carotid artery will not help in the maxillary artery bleed because retrograde flow will be continue. So you have to stop bleeding by ligation the both end.